In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel to PDF. If you need to share a spreadsheet with someone who doesn't use Excel, or you want to lock in the layout so nothing shifts, turning your workbook into a PDF is the simplest and most reliable approach. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few helpful notes so your file looks the way you expect. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and loading the spreadsheet you want to convert. Take a moment to make sure everything on the sheet looks good on screen. What you see is generally what will be captured in the PDF. When you're ready, go to the File menu. You'll find it at the top left of Excel. This opens the place where you manage your document, saving, exporting, and more. Choose Save As. This tells Excel you want to create a new copy of your file in a different format while keeping your original spreadsheet intact. Next, pick where the PDF should go. You can select a familiar spot like your desktop or documents, or browse to any folder you prefer. Choosing a clear location now makes it easy to find and share the file later. While you're here, consider giving the file a descriptive name so it's instantly recognizable when you or your teammates see it. Now look for the Save As type, sometimes labeled File Format, and change it to PDF. This is the key step. PDF creates a fixed print-ready version of your spreadsheet that preserves fonts, images, column widths, and general layout. Keep in mind that a PDF is read only. Formulas and cell references won't be editable anymore, which is exactly why it's great for sending final versions. Once PDF is selected, click Save. Excel will generate the PDF and place it in the location you chose. Depending on your settings, the PDF may open automatically so you can preview it. If it does, give it a quick look to confirm the pages, layout, and content all appear complete. If anything seems cropped or spaced oddly, that usually reflects your current print layout in Excel. Adjusting things like margins or scaling in your workbook and saving again will refine the result. That's all there is to it. You opened your Excel file, went to File, chose Save As, picked a destination, selected PDF as the format, and saved. Your spreadsheet is now a polished PDF, ready to send, archive, or upload anywhere you need.